We have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels.
So I thought I would share how easy it was to clean. I just hit that button and it released the bottom portion, and then I popped that filter out. It has a good suction on it, but you get it eventually. And then you just dump it out, clean around the filter really good. And it does come with an extra filter, and these are washable, and then you just let them completely air dry in the sun. So that is really nice that you don't have to purchase extra filters just to keep it up. You can wash these by hand and then let them air dry, and then you just pop it back in, pop the top part back